Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Trinity English Joseph, and in today's video let us look at the topic syllables. And here let us now know what are syllables, how many types of syllables do we have, how do we identify syllables in the word, what are the different aspects of the syllables. Now let us look into this particular video. First of all, let us know what is a syllable. A syllable is the next higher unit to a speech sound and forms a word or part of a word. After the letters, the next biggest unit is the sound or the syllable. After the syllable, the next biggest unit is the word. Then afterwards, sentence, paragraph, and so on. In this way, here we divide a word into equal parts in order to make the pronunciation easier, or in order to pronounce the word in an easier way. This is what called as a syllable or syllables, and it might be one syllable or it can be more than one syllable. Here it contains one and only one vowel sound and not letter. So whenever you just look at the English language, we have two important aspects which I have also mentioned in the earlier video. That is the word and the sound. And here the letter and the sound are the two important things. We have 26 letters and 44 sounds. And here whenever you talk about, we have a vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. So in each syllable you have at least one vowel sound. Once again I repeat. So there are one vowel sound, not the vowel letter. So here when we look at this, we have a vowel sound, and here the number of consonant sounds in a syllable may be 0 to 7. So sometimes there might not be even a single consonant letter also. For example, if you take the word education, E is itself one syllable. In that only E is the letter which has what? So we don't have any consonant sounds. In this way, so it can be from 0 to 7 the number of consonant sounds it would be. So you have to just notice how many sounds, because there is no hard and fast rule related to the number of consonants. A word may have a one syllable or more syllables. It can be one syllable or it can be more than one syllable. And words with one syllable, now these are all the different kinds of syllables that we have. So words with one syllable or with one vowel sound is called as a monosyllabic word or monosyllabic words, and words with two syllables each are called as disyllabic words. Di means two, so syllabic means syllables, right? Third one, words with three syllables each are called as trisyllabic words, and words with more than three syllables each are called as polysyllabic words. And here more than three, whatever you have, that may be 4, 5, 6, whatever might be the number of syllables, they are simply called as polysyllabic words. The number of vowel sounds in a word gives us the number of syllables in that word. As I already told you, the number of the vowel sounds is equal to the number of syllables. So here this is what we have to understand. By noticing the vowel sounds in the phonetic transcript of given word, we can arrive at the number of syllables in that word. First, whenever you just divide the word, find out how many vowel sounds are there. According to that, we can divide that particular word. In that way, we will be arriving at a conclusion of the number of syllables. Now let us look at some of the examples as to how the different syllables can be divided. So here we have words with one syllable, words with two syllables, three syllables and four syllables. Here words with one syllable are known as monosyllabic words. So life, pen, to, try, had, quite, light, fly, few and bet. And here you all, as you already know, there is one vowel sound in this. So that's why they are called as monosyllabic words. And words with two syllables are disyllabic words. We also call them as disyllabic words, and in the examination we write the disyllabic words. Here we read engage, suffer, teach, matter, spider, today, answer, English, father, donkey. So in this way we have two syllables each. Thus since we have two syllables, we just make them as the disyllabic words. And friends, coming here, these are the trisyllabic words, three syllables. Telephone, potato, bachelor, ambulance, and invalid, and computer. As I already told, though we have the vowel letters, we don't consider them. If you just look at here, we have A here and E here. They have to become two different syllables. But you know, since it is only one vowel sound is here, we just take it as a single syllable. So that's what we have to remember. And then contemplate, here also the same. We have two vowels but only one vowel sound. And then descriptive, and then represent, and then remember. So these are the trisyllabic words. And friends, if you just look at the last one is a word with four or more syllables, or polysyllabic words we call them as. And here institution, four syllables, classification, and then here education. So friends, if you just look at, E alone becomes one syllable. As I already told you, one vowel sound also can become one syllable. So we cannot say whether there is a one syllable consists to one letter or more letters. So here we have taken one letter as a one sound. And competition. So these are the four syllables. Mathematics. Here also the same. We have taken a single letter as single syllable. And congratulate. And then intelligence. And then civilization. So here we have five syllables. So it becomes a polysyllabic word. Helicopter. So this is also another one. Observatory. Here also we take a single letter as one syllable. So friends, these are some of the examples for syllables. And if you just look at all these words, so we have to carefully observe and then first find out what are the vowel sounds that you have in it. So if you just want to know what are the vowel sounds and how many kinds of vowel sounds are there, you can refer to my previous video on phonetics so that you would understand what exactly are the vowel sounds and how are they classified. So then these are some of the examples, friends. I hope my video about syllables has really gave you good information. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep watching my channel. Thank you all.